Well, these are not all.
No, these aren't for us.
Tour.
These are...
Holy cow. Unbelievable.
So hopefully we can find a parking place.
Yeah.
This is like 4th of July, huh?
It's crazy.
See the lightning?
A lot of these people are already out, I bet.
Oh, yeah. But
This is insane.
can I fit in there?
So this is the parking lot for the kayak launch area. And we were here earlier today. There were no cars here. But now everyone's going out to try to see the bioluminescent event tonight. This is crazy. It's like Woodstock for kayakers. Alright, let's see how the GoPro does with nighttime video. I did change a bunch of settings based on what I saw on YouTube for low light. Whoa. I think I got that.
I think so too.
I was pointed right at it. Wow.
Well, one good thing.
And here's the launch site for the doggy. All these people getting ready to launch.
Actually, this is freaking light compared to my 75. Yeah, it's only 75.
Look, there's a crescent.
Yeah, but when I'm diving in Venice and diving off my boat.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
There's a crescent kayak.
Oh,
Is
it's
that
a
like
single.
yours?
Well, mine's a double. That's a single. One of the singles.
Yeah, mine actually goes up to 450 pounds. Oh, I got it. I'll have it for
Whoa. Everybody sounds like a...
Listen to me, baby, you gotta understand. You're old enough to know the makings of a man. Listen to me, baby, it's hard to settle down.
Okay, so we're about ready to do our fire tour. Here's all the revelers and decorated kayaks. Good. Whoa! I was recording with that one.
Oh, we're waiting for the tour. Yeah. Thank you.
That one with my friend shirt.
Oh, yeah, I like the shirt. I saw it.
I've already recorded all this, but I'm still free.
I know. It is, and then it's like, and everybody's like, oh, you're the fireworks show.
So you're part of the show.
Well, I mean, we're staying in the club that we came down here. Oh, look at this guy.
Yeah.
They plan for this all year. This is the new unit lightning. This is the stop one. No, we came all the way up to 400.
A sign that she wants to make.